What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to make Wi-Fi icon appear on taskbar on Windows 11. So if you're having any kind of trouble with the Wi-Fi icon over here in the taskbar is completely missing, then how you can get it back? So let me directly get into a step without wasting any time. So the first one is all about we have to try some troubleshoots guide. To do so, go over here, search for the troubleshoot, and you have to go over here, search for the troubleshoot and click on the default troubleshoot settings. Now from here you have to click on other troubleshoots, and from here you have to select which is your issue. So actually you have to go to the network and internet, then just click on the run, and right now a new window will pop up and you'll be giving you some instructions. So in my case, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected, so I don't have an issue, but this will not be the case on a case. So it will be different. So you have to follow up these instructions or whatever the command they are giving, just follow the instruction. This is actually a precaution done by Windows itself. It's a safe mode, like the Windows is giving you some instruction how to fix from here itself. But if that is not working, it won't work in most cases. If that is the case, you can just move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the control panel. Now from here you have to navigate to the control panel. From here you have to click on go to network and sharing center. Now navigate to change adapter settings, and now you can see your Wi-Fi. So what we need to do is try enable back the Wi-Fi, and you have to check what if the Wi-Fi is already enabled, then you have to disable it, then enable it back, then you have to check. This might work in some cases as well. Next one, we have to go over here, close everything. Afterwards move to the third step, go over here in the device manager, and you have to click on the device manager. Now from here you have to go over here on the network adapters. Now from here what we need to do is we just need to find the first one. You have to check what is your Wi-Fi over here, and once you find the Wi-Fi, before that what we need to do is we just need to click on the view and make sure that you put a check on show hidden devices so that all the hidden Wi-Fi adapters or drivers will be visible. Then once you made it, you just need to select your Wi-Fi from here. Now select the adapter, go to the properties. Now from here go to the driver, and if you have the rollback driver, click on the rollback driver, and once you're done you have to close this and you have to check. The last and the least step, after trying these steps, still if you're having the trouble, then we just need to go over here, search for the control panel, then you have to click on the control panel. Now from here navigate, not this one, go to the settings. Now from here go to settings, directly navigate to the network and internet, and from here you have to find the advanced network settings. Now from here you have to go over here, scroll down and navigate to network reset. Now from here go for reset now, and once it is done, your system or PC or laptop will be restarted. After restarting back, you have to connect it back, and this time it will be working fine. These are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.